Hello everyone! In this video, you are going to learn how to set up custom audience. First, you need to choose the page that you want to set up. Click on Manage, go to Facebook Ads menu, and then click Custom Audience. After that, you will see 4 groups of custom audience. First, inbox and comments keyword only. This function can target audience based on keywords. To enable this, you need to go to Auto Replies, then goes down to Keyword Replies. Make sure Create Custom Audience is turned on. Also, Inbox Reply and Comment Reply is turned on. Then you need to save the keyword. And then after that, go to Custom Audience again. And then the second one is Inbox for All. This function can target audience who send message to your inbox. And the third one, Comments All. This function is to target audience who comments on your post of your page. And number 4 is Inbox and Comments for All. This function is to target audience who send message to your inbox and who comments on your post of the page. To create custom audience, first you need to make sure that you are in the correct shop. So you choose Just Page. Then after that, we need to switch to the Ads Manager. Once you are in Ads Manager, make sure that you go to Audience, click on Audience, and then the custom audience that we have created will be shown like this.